Alright, this is my Ttr-230. It's an '08. Got the FMF Power Core 4. I've got a big bore kit in it. Of course, gotta have the gas cap, you know. I've got the jets in it, air filter, and I'm about to put clutches and gears in it. And then here I have an sooo Ttr-230. Honestly, this bike will outrun the 250. Not really sure why. I guess just because it has a lot more power in the bottom end, and by the time we get top end, it's too late. This bike has a bad problem, or a bad knock in it, and the top end. You got to rebuild it. Bought that bike for $1,000. Not bad at all. I'm gonna start the TTR up for you. Like a champ. I need a new back tire. The only thing I don't like about this bike is the rear spokes are so tiny. They come loose very, very fast. And when they come loose, a lot of them break for some reason. Like this one. I'm about to put a new chain and 2 sprockets on it. I'm gonna put the YZ forks on the front, YZ125 forks on the front, and buy a shock and spring for the back to make it more plush. I took my graphics off of it, as you can see. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do with it. I've thought about getting the whole bike painted black. Solid black, and then do like the KX monster bike is, except for without green monster symbols, do blue monster symbols, because it's a Yamaha. I'm working on getting the header for the exhaust, because all it is a slip-on. I don't really like it. I'd rather it go all the way to the head. And probably this weekend I'm gonna tear it apart and to go get the flywheel shaved a little bit. I think I'm gonna take about 5 pounds off the flywheel. So yeah, tell me what you think.